Welcome to our video on various ways to answer the question, how are you? Whether it's a formal setting or a casual conversation with friends, it's always good to have different responses up your sleeve. Let's get started. Let's begin with formal responses. Option 1, I'm well, thank you. Option 2, I'm doing fine, and you? Option 3, quite well, how about yourself? Option 4, I'm doing well, thanks for asking. Moving on to casual responses now. Option 1, not bad, you? Option 2, pretty good, and you? Option 3, doing okay, how about you? Option 4, too shabby, thanks. It's always great to put a positive spin on things. Here are some positive responses. Option 1, I'm great, thanks. Option 2, fantastic, how are you? Option 3, wonderful, and yourself? Option 4, excellent, thanks for asking. Sometimes, a neutral response is all you need. Here are a few examples. Option 1, I'm okay, thanks. Option 2, I'm hanging in there. Option 3, so, you know. Option 4, not much, just the usual. Let's add some humor into the mix. Check out these funny ways to answer. How are you? Option 1, surviving the day. Option 2, in the dream. Option 3, not dead yet. Option 4, I'm here, I'm alive. Lastly, here are some detailed responses for when you feel like sharing a bit more. Option 1, I'm doing well. I had a productive morning and am looking forward to the afternoon. Option 2, it's been a bit challenging lately, but I'm managing. Option 3, honestly, I've been a bit stressed, but I'm working through it. And there you have it, various ways to answer the question, how are you? Whether you prefer a formal, casual, positive, neutral, or humorous response. We hope this video has provided you with some fun and useful options. Feel free to mix and match these responses based on the situation and enjoy your conversations. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. Thank you for watching.